can continue from your name.
My name is Princess Omotiamoki.
Alright. What brought you to the office of the human rights?
I came because of my son.
You try and speak up a little bit.
I came because of my son's issue.
What issue are we talking about?
He went to meet his dad almost 2 years now. And since then, I've been talking to the dad for how to be seeing him or number to be calling him. He refused to give me number, saying that his mom and siblings, they don't have phone number. That's why do I want to see him? She be the one that brought the child to meet him. I said it's not like that. She be the child has been with me all this while, that because of the way he was doing, and I've been calling him things like that we need to see and talk because of him. But you have been acting busy all the time. So I had to just look for a means of getting the child to him, which I did. He was having a show in Festa. I chatted him up and we agreed to meet there, not knowing I was coming with my child. I went with my child, my mom, and my elder brother. So when we got there, I was inside when he was doing his stuff till when he finished, and I told him to come outside with me. We drove down. Then he met my mom, my son, and my elder brother. They were trying to talk to him, but just giving attitude and trying to even embarrass my mom and saying that we should not worry. Son, enter the car, let's go, you'll be fine. That was what he just kept saying. My mom was like, okay, fine, no problem. If that's how you want it, no problem. Wisdom, take care, nothing will happen to you and all of that. Then they drove off. I tried calling him and calling him. He was not picking my call. I sent him several messages on Messenger. He was not replying any. If he wants to reply, you say that there's no need for me to keep in contact with him. That she be abroad, I brought him. That I should just forget talking to him. I said, how? I need to be talking to him. Give me a number or give me address, because I know they used to stay before. They no longer stay there. So I don't know the use of going to see him. He refused. At a point, I had to even just remove my mind from it. Everybody was like, this boy, if you don't carry, will give you papa since. She will then tell you, say, he go talk to him, go meet his papa. I was like, if I know, I would have go carry him since and go and meet his dad. So that was it. During November or December last year, I posted a picture on WhatsApp, and he commented that after you say you be good mother, I tell you, sir, they carry your son, go village. You know if you talk any, your so-called son, go village. You know if you talk anything. I was like, So I decided to block him on my status. He can't view my pictures anymore. I called my mom and told my mom. My mom was like, what thing this boy wants from me? She want me to die because of this picture. What thing be a problem? Say anything wey you want to make her live and make the boy stay with us. She after all, the boy saying he won't go meet him, papa. It was not really easy for me, because I know why it was not easy for me. So until we kept talking, I was just trying to make peace with him for my son's sake. We kept talking. We even saw December period. I was like, how is wisdom? He said wisdom is fine. If I ask God, even my mom and my elder brother, say they call and ask, he will say wisdom is fine. Until it's a month, and now I chatted him, or he was not that chatted me and said, I can come and see my son now. I was like, finally, thank God. Though. He was like, and he's not feeling fine. I thought it's just a minor something when he said he was not feeling fine. So I told him, can I come and see him too? He said no. The next day, he said he's busy, that he will update me on when to come. I said, okay. Even that day, I had to even call my mom crying that they said my son is not feeling. My mom said, you've not gone to see him and you are crying. Even when I'm squatting, they were like, calm down, I should go and see him first. So after like 3-4 days, he asked me to get to Okoko church bus stop that I should call him. I got there and I called him. We drove to his family's house. When I got there, I was short of words. I was like, where is wisdom? I saw somebody sitting in a plastic chair, one corner like that. I was looking like, is this wisdom? I removed my wig first. Like, I was shouting, like, I didn't even know what to do. Like, look, I know once I go the crates, me, I stay here. This time, I called my mom, called my sister. I was just calling anybody I could call, like, I don't die, If I see my pikin, I don't go believe him. God, do say I'm not going to carry this boy. I was just saying, I didn't insult anybody. I was just like, after everything, I wanted to snap him and send to my sister. I was like, I should not snap him. Why I won't snap him? That one outside, I didn't snap him again. I bought food for him. the boy finished the food. Under how many minutes he has not finished the food. I told him, walk and come and meet me. He could not stand. He could not walk. He was just trying. Before he took his time to go stand up from the chair, I had to go and support him, carry him and put on my life like, Wisdom, do you know me? He was looking at me like that. I said, ah, God, my hand don't finish. I was crying. After everything, it was like he wants to get to somewhere that we should go. I was like, okay. I'm just confused at that point. I didn't know what to do because I don't even have a place to take him to. So I left with him. We got to his car. I was like, just telling him that, if I please, now you have offended you, please forgive and forget. Let's join heads and see what we can do about it. What happened to this boy? What happened? He's not saying any specific thing like he was having fever, typhoid, or what. He just said that he has taken him to different hospitals and they said nothing is wrong with him. I was like, they said nothing is wrong with him. Since you didn't call me, we dey chat now. Why you not call me? Tell me say this boy matter be like this. He said the boy they popo for body, they baby for body. I was like, ah. We went to one pharmacy. I told him to get him blood tonic and one medicine like that. We got the drugs. We stayed in his car.
Years old.
Yes. We stayed in his car. We had some conversation. It was like, to say I never forgive you. If I no even there now. If I no even feel conceived wisdom. I didn't think about that moment. But I thought about it for long. Like, I still dey imagine what I really do when you never forgive me. But I didn't tell him that because.
How is this now?
It's not fine. I even have his videos and his pictures on my phone.
Okay.
So I was just trying to be calm, like to think. My mom was like, I called my people, like people I could call, like I should come first. My friends that are here, that already knew why I was crying before I left. I called them, they said I should just come first. I should not say anything or do anything there. I should just come so that they will know how or what to do next. Then my mom and my sister were like, I should leave the child first. Where do I want to carry him to now? I don't have a place of my own anymore because I had issue with my shop and everything just went somehow. So I left, but that day was just something else for me. I could not focus, nothing. I called him late that same day at night that fine, I can't carry my pikin now. So it's late now. Where do I want to take the child to? Maybe I don't get where to stay. I say, if na anywhere where I see, I will carry am home, and I will go dey stay. This area you see this pikin like this, I no fit leave am for one day. I no fit. I was crying. I was like, okay. Before I called him, that call I called him that day, I already called my bike guy. I was crying. He said, what happened? He came. I explained to him. I even went to orphanage, went to a lot of places where to get if there's any way I can keep him that moment to be seeing him, then I'll know the next thing to do. The orphanage I went to, one they directed me in Apple Junction side. They said they cannot keep him, that it's only children that don't have father and mother or that they abandoned that they can keep. I was confused. The whole day I tried to look for places to keep him, to no avail. Then I spoke to my bike guy and he was like, there's one I used to buy Agbo from. The woman stays in Agboju side, opposite one police station like that. And I said, I should go and talk to that woman if she can help me. I said, okay. We went there. The woman said, like, what's happened? I said, see, my pikin, see. Now you still there here. Who carry him? I said, I think I can't tell you first. Tell your organ. She said, you cannot worry. Go bring her come. My organ know you now. He no go talk. You be like my pikin. And I said, thank you. That night we entered road. I took bike to go and carry him. When we got there, I told him to send his younger sister's number. He sent the number for me. I called her that see his mommy Wisdom. She started lamenting her own, talking plenty talk. I did not want to answer her because nobody her matter they do. I was like, I beg, I won't come carry my son. Which your son? You know the house. Come out. Someone I come out go by this. The sister. Okay. Someone I come out go by this time. I say, I know say you go come back, so you can carry Wisdom.
The child, according to you, was taken to the village.
That was the message he sent to me, still on my phone. That I didn't tell you, say I won't carry your pikin go village. You don't talk anything. I tell you, say I won't carry your so-called son go village. You don't talk anything. That one is on the message he sent for me. So the sister was talking. I told her, please Say they know they are around, they come out. So when I come out, go here by this time, say, "Take consign me, how you take consign me?" I was talking plain talk, I just cut the call. I called him, I said, "Please, call your sister to open the door for me, I want to carry my child." So he called her. I was like, I waited again, I called him. He has called them now to open the door for me. After waiting, they brought the child down and brought his bag down. My bike man carried his bag in front. I carried him on my body like.
Which year was that?
It's this year, just going to 2 months now. It's not up to 2 months. So I carried the child and we drove back to First Side, that woman's place. We were there. Throughout that instance, we got there, went to the pharmacy to get him oral drink. We did milk and raw egg for him. Like, I didn't just know what to do finish. We were there till like after 3 a.m. My bike guy, we were all there looking at the child. So he was there in that woman's place for some days. Later on, I took him to some places from one direction, supposed to say carry and go, supposed to say carry and go.
What did they diagnose him of?
At first, I don't know because Dad said he has taken him to the hospital.
But what do you not know now?
Okay, now there's a place I took him to after taking him to different place. One of my friends directed me that there's when she took her dad, so when the dad had stroke, and the man helped to treat the dad. So I took him there after much everything. I took him there. They said the cap of his knee that the boat has removed, and that thing is worse than stroke. There's a name they called it, because most people they don't understand English very well. The man called it that it's worse than stroke, that and it's not ordinary, that stroke, that anybody can have stroke, they can give it to somebody, but this particular thing that is doing my child now, that now bad people they give person, do the thing person, yes, now spiritual something say. Is either they can put it on the floor or they put it on the door or they will use animal to do the thing. I was like, I've not heard of something like this before. So that's what has been happening. I've been talking to him like, I really want to know what happened to the child, what went wrong, and why did you leave him to this extent? Even if you were not there, your mother or your siblings, at least they would have called you like, this pikin no dey waka again, this pikin no dey piss up, don dey shit about you and everything. Like, what step did you take and why didn't you inform me since? What was your motive that you didn't inform me since till now? You're telling me that this boy no well, I feel concerned. That was it. And after then, I've spent like, I had almost 700 in my account. I can even show you, but now I don't even have up to 50,000 or 70,000 in my account. We are stranded right now. I'm talking to him like, see, I even showed him where we're staying. They called me video call, he saw where we're staying. And he sent, I think 7,000 naira the other day. And the other day he sent 5,000, I guess, or 4,000 naira. And I sent him message. Hey, I saw the 4,000 naira you sent though. But this thing with the government, not be 4,000 naira, 7,000 naira matter. I've spent hundreds of thousands and I'm broke right now. And I can't leave this child to go and hustle for money or do anything. He hardly even calls or check up on my child. It's when he likes. He'll just like, he's not really showing concern like, okay, waiting be the way forward now, or waiting we go do, or how would they get somewhere where they stay or something. So I got pissed about everything. Like, after all, from day one, even before I born this pikin, I'm not going to take care of this pikin. They come. This pikin don't sick one time. We stayed in Lut for months. He was eating through the nose, taking oxygen. I went to go and look for his dad. His dad told me that we should stay in one hotel. That the next morning we will go and see him. Then we were in Lut.
How old was he then?
4 years plus. That he will go and see him. Only for morning to reach, he said his mom said he should not go with me to go and see him. I was like, okay.
Let's hear from him. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Your name, please.
My name is Ifeanyi Odansi.
You heard what she said.
Yes.
Your response, please.
We gave birth to the son. That was 16 years back. Now, the only thing she said that I concur to is the hospital. When she met me 4 years ago, that's the only thing I concur to. I did not go to the hospital and have a reason. When she gave birth to the child, we were good. The problem started with, she's from from my mom and her mom. The two mothers did not agree, which I called my girl. So these people, I don't know what they do them. Let's be doing our own thing on code. She responded. All of a sudden, she stopped responding. She started following the mother side. Twice, I've almost been killed because of her. They were living at Igondo. I was going to see my son. Even the day they give birth to her, there's something we do traditionally when you give birth to a child. We bring a fowl and a yam, which we did. Though my mom was not okay. My mom is saying I'm still small. I don't have an account, which is true. I never know anything. So I went where they are living. They've packed. I called her on phone. She just changed her from me. No quarrel, nothing. She stopped seeing me. Where are you, man? They see this boy. No way. Till I went through Facebook. I saw one guy. I saw a guy she's a friend to the guy on Facebook. So I talked to the guy, not knowing that they have something. So the guy now gingered her. The guy. So I called the guy on Facebook. I now send the guy a message. Keep sending the guy a message. The guy will not reply. Until after like 1 year, the guy now replied. Now gave me her number, her new number. I now called her. See, why they do like this? When they make her see my pikin. She insulted me. Why are you calling me? Don't call this line. From that minute, that line no go again till today. So I now saw one boy in their former company. I don't even know the boy. I was walking. The guy now came to meet me. He said, how far? I said, fine. I said, I don't know you. He said, I mean, for Princess, their compound. The guy is doing Agbero at Ikotu. I mean, started narrating. I was okay. Why you don't talk like this? He said, Princess. I said, I never see him about the baby. I don't know where. I say, know where they did. He now took me to that close after TV Joshua's church, the next street. I remember. We went there. I saw my son coming back from school, walking well. If you see himself, you will not see my picking. Immediately, the boy just stood. I stood at his back, but not close to him. The boy just turned, looked at me, I looked at him. We were just looking at ourselves. The boy just moved. Just entered one gate. She now came out. Call him. Oh yeah, wisdom, go inside. I saw the guy. I was looking at her. She now asked the boy, why you carry and come here? The boy said, no, I mean forget this. The boy now left. She told me that what am I doing? I said, I want to see my son. As the man could talk, what happened? Next thing I will hear from her is, get her from here. And rain was falling. Rain started falling. She told me, I will shout you for your head though. I thought she was joking. She shouted. People rushed me. Luckily for one boy, Momo, all those Yoruba,
They were saying they know you.
only that boy. Say you know this guy now. This guy they see him for television. Don't see him. That was why I did not flip. I now told them what happened. So they now escorted me. I left. I didn't see her again. I started calling that number, no go. I went there again. I think after 6 months. I went there again to go and see her. They said they've packed. They don't stay there anymore again. No way to see her again. I went to look for that guy again on Facebook. I didn't see the guy. The guy blocked me. So I didn't see the boy. I waited. One fateful day, I was going to satellite. And I saw the last born, the younger brother. I stopped him. They ignored me. I said, what did you do here? And I hear that they say, you know, answer me. The guy left. I said, okay, no problem. On a good day again, I now saw the boy, the brother again, at that place again, that water side. So if I could remember, I gave him money or something. So we now started talking. And I sent the boy a message to her. I want to see her, let's talk. And before then, now the boy, my son is grown. Before then, she came when the boy was 4 years. After they've done those, they've almost beaten me twice. They beat me twice. She came one night. My mom goes to Sabbath. They always have a Passover. Like they will have it now by next week or so. So My mom now travel from Lagos to East. Me, the first son now, everything they eat is on my head. And then at this moment, I know who let me shish, but I get small, their transport stay with me. I told my mom, wait, I'm doing conductor. If I don't gather money, then I'll just come the East. If I stay 3 days, I can't stay that 8 days. All of us will be stranded. If I just stay 3 days with una there, will they come back or 2 days? She now come. I said, my son is sick. I was surprised to see her in my street.
How old was your son then?
4. I said, so you still know here? He said, around this time, I'm telling you, sir, it's around 11 that my son is sick. That I should follow her to loot. From Kokoyanosash to loot. Now answer, how is it possible? First of all, I asked her, who is there with him? She said, the mother, the sister, and the boyfriend. She said the guy is always supporting her. She don't say boyfriend. The guy is always supporting her. That's the people there. And you now came. Say, I can't say, okay, are you small became praise? Okay. Now I'm saying the boy there is safe hand safe. If adults then go there. So now me small boy we no guesses, no do anything. That was why I calculated in my brain. What do I want to go there and do? After 4 years, I don't know as the boy, he became himself. And I told her, okay, me, I will not allow you to go because it's late. I said, okay, me, I will not even allow you to go because it's late. And then they do rob in our area, at Greek, where. So I now asked her, let's stay at the hotel. We now slept at the hotel. I slept on the bed, she slept at the door, thinking I will leave. And the next morning, I'm supposed to travel to try and meet my parents and my siblings. So I took her to the house, went to the house. I told her I'm coming. My bag, I just carry my bag, count money. I think that was from the money I gave her about, I can't, if I could remember, 5,000 or so. So she'll be able to transport herself back. I just dropped the money for her. I told her I'm coming, I left. I traveled. So they were now calling me. After a while, they stopped calling. I didn't see the boy again till, I think when he was 9 or 10.
Did she stop you from seeing him?
Yes, they don't want me to see the boy. The mom just called me the day I got to the East. That why did I do like this? I did not come. I did not follow them. I asked the mama, what I won't come do there? I be doctor, I be nurse. She put on a carry and run since I know my see him. To the extent the elder brother, where I now find out they were living waterside. I've gone there when we were dating, when we never had issue. We've gone there. I've gone there with her to the elder brother's place. We pass boats. The brother asked if you see me there, go throw me inside water. When we don't get picking now. So I no go even play, say I won't go there. Swim, I no sabi swim. I no go waiting to swim. So she now, after 10 years, no way to reach her, no way to reach the mother, no way to reach anybody. After 10 years, I now saw that the younger brother that I did that, the brother now message her. They came. He said that time she was even planning to go and put him in school. This boy we are talking now, they don't use injection, scatter in leg, in hand, in voice. So.
No, what kind of injection?
I don't ask her now. I don't know. They disfigured him. My son is not walking. He's not boy that was that time I saw him when he was small. The day they first beat me, he was walking. He was coming back from school. He's disfigured.
The day you went there to pick him or they brought him to you,
He's disfigured.
Do you have the picture of that day?
I don't have it. Anger not
Do
doing
you
it.
have the picture
Yes.
within that?
No, she have the pictures.
So for you as a father,
I didn't see. How will I see? I didn't see him.
how do you mean?
They don't allow me to. Somewhere the story plenty.
She said she brought the
No, wait now. Let's hear story.
continue.
Now, after that 10 years, and I saw him. I saw the way he was walking.
Okay.
He was not talking.
Uh-oh.
I said, waiting with this one. He said, one go put him for deaf and dumb school. A boy of 10 years. We now went to Sulere. She's here. I can remember those schools, 3. I don't understand. They go put him for deaf and dumb school. What class is he? Say, is he the nursery?
nursery 1, na nursery in dey. I said this thing no go help this boy. Fine, he does not talk. He does not.
Has he ever talked?
Yeah.
He was talking when we were there, according to her. She was talking. I said my son was normal the first day they beat me. He dey talk now.
Okay. Mother, the day you gave the boy to his father, what was his condition? Even though the condition might get worse, but tell us the real condition you gave the child.
Yes. This is him. Before we even went to meet the father, this is him.
Where is him?
This is the big one.
Taller one.
Yes.
This
that's
play
him.
video, find video.
I don't have video.
Even
Even
video.
even when he came to carry him, I'm trying to check on his Facebook things. He has blocked me after I came to report him.
Where is him today? Where is the picture?
I will show you. After I came to report him.
My son have been what they call them physical challenge.
Okay.
Right from time.
Sir, does this boy look like a physical challenge child?
Play video now, find his video. He has been with her for over how many years?
Hold on a minute. I mean the recent one.
Okay. Let me show you his recent video.
So as I was saying, with that 10 years,
This is like 3 days after I went to carry him from his father's place. 3 to 4 days. I carried him from his father's place. There's a video there. How weak he was. That's where the woman and
Very tall boy.
that's where the woman and
not only to fine boy.
That's where there's a video in front there where the woman and her children are
Where is
staying.
this place?
It's the place I carried him to. That woman that is selling her book.
Sir,
This is his leg.
after that,
This is the video. That was like 3-4 days after I went to carry him from his father's place. Then I will show you his recent look now. This is the place we are now. This is him. Then I'll still show you where he's trying to walk. Because the day he called me that I went to report him to human rights, I reported.
that block you.
Yes, then he blocked me. I will play the video and our conversation for you when he said, "Shebi, this boy is walking," and who told me he's not walking? Who told me he's not washing his clothes? Then let me show you the child that he said is walking.
Yes, sir, you want to video him, you cover his parts.
Okay. I don't know.
So that 10 years, that's when he was 10. And I followed her, I started walking.
This is the
This
day.
is him now. He's improving now. I'll still show you another place. where
Show
I
him
went
video
to
when
carry
you
him.
give birth to him from 4 years.
He paid me say I don't even get it all those times. They don't take my phone how many times now. So that's I don't almost sell my phone. Now this matter will come happen and I can open my eye. I say I want to keep quiet. But this matter say enough done, enough is enough.
No matter how.
Continue.
10 years when he was there, we now went, I now saw her.
Let me see just this last video. Where is this last one you just showed me?
This is one now.
No, the last one you just showed me. Okay.
This one is now when we're carrying him.
So I checked this video. Is that how they brought this guy to you?
This is how he is. This is how he is.
Yes,
Like this, yes. Should I make a call? My boy was in the car, one of my upcoming boy.
What about the one that is here? He was in the car, the one that come with you.
No, that guy just showed me road to him.
Okay.
Sir, I have a
Hold on a minute,
picture.
one after the other.
This is how he was walking. But he can still use it to walk. He can still use it to bend and walk. She's the one that even used her mouth to tell me that it's
Show
injection
me the last one,
they gave him.
the one before this. The one that you said is getting better.
I think you go her Facebook old picture. You see where she posted here and my son standing. Where you see the leg?
Has your son ever talked to you?
Me?
Hmm.
I'm my chairman, I'm my guy.
But I thought you said he's in talking.
You said?
I thought you said he's not talking.
He's not. That's not talking. That's how he know they talk.
You lie too much.
Wisdom talk like us.
Hold on a minute.
And is that talk? But when they gave birth to that, the day I saw him, when the mother asked him to go inside, he was coming back from school with his school bag.
Did he talk?
Yes, sir. It was normal.
But you say he was not born normal just now.
No, he was normal. When he was sick, I never said so.
Okay.
When he was sick, that they asked me to come to loot. After that was when the fourth came.
Okay.
So when he was 10, that I saw him.
Okay, 10 he was not normal again.
Yes, he was not normal from that loot.
Okay, but at the time they beat you up, he was still that for before the sickness.
Thank you. So when I saw him that time, he was. I said, what did I put this on? He said, I injection they give him. And that time when he sick well for loot. To the extent they took him. If you put the boy belly, I don't know if they right there. Whether on a map, I don't know.
Native stuff.
Thank you.
Say they were looking for. They said he was looking for lizard. So and when they went to loot, after all they've done to him, she now said after they've done to him, that's when they gave him that injection. And one man now told them to take the boy to his father. That was when he was 10. She was explaining those things for me. When we came back, I bought a Indomie, I bought a ball, because I never knew the boy leg no good. So I bought ball. That night we stayed at one fast food that I think Alakija Abulado. I was delaying, they were delaying. I was delaying, they were delaying. I wanted to know where they are staying. She did not. To the point she told me who her. I know say this one way you do a day now. You want me to know where would they stay.
Okay.
So wait, just let me finish to the point of this last day now.
This is
Okay, allow him first.
He's the one that posted this picture on Facebook.
Sir, please, can I see the picture?
On Facebook after he carried him.
Thank you. See the boy here. This is the day we are going to barb his hair. He collected it to play the video and see the way he was doing.
Bring the video now. It should be on your phone.
This
This is what I saw.
I posted two. There was one that was video.
This is what I saw.
That's my other son.
And it was when I was trying, when it was
Alright, please
official.
allow him.
So after that day, she now told me that word. That I don't say they wait. Make you know where they go. Make for
How many
follows.
years did he stay with you from this day?
He stayed 1 year and they brought him. The mom came to drop him October.
He now came to return him when?
She returned him October.
She dropped him October when? October 2000 or what?
2019, I think. Yes, 19.
And return him. Talk to us. Give her mic. You don't know when you dropped your son. Which year?
No, it was 2019. 2019, I dropped
When
him.
did you return him?
I went to carry him.
This year, you said.
Yes, this year.
January,
No,
February.
February, yes.
February 29.
Just a month.
February 19.
February 19.
Yes,
That was when you came.
that's when I went to carry him.
That was the first day you came to the house.
The first day, the day I came
It's
to.
alright, it's alright.
Please, sir, let me finish.
So, hold on, continue.
She now said that thing and now left. So I didn't hear from her again. Nowhere to reach her again.
That is
Till
4 months. 4 months.
That I've carried him now.
Okay, no,
No,
a
no.
year and 4 months.
But he has been with him.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
so she now said that word and now left. And now leave them. From that day, that number, no, she did not give me her number herself. So she's not agreed to give me her number. We started. I tried to reach her, no way. try to reach her one no way.
What you are trying to say now, sir,
Yeah.
you are trying to tell the world how far you have tried. That what she said about you not taking care of your child is not true. Is that not what you are trying
It's
to say?
not true because she came. I was working. I was at an event. She came to drop the
That is
boy.
the day, that is 2019.
Thank you.
We are talking
And it has been. The boy has been with me.
Hold on a minute. Let us not go back to what transpired and all that. What I understand you saying now is you actually want to tell the world that you try as a father,
Yes.
you wanted to be as a father you are.
Yes.
Good father. She was not giving you the chance.
Yes.
That is why you told the public how you were being beaten up and all
Yes.
that. In the process of trying,
Yes.
we agree. But now, this guy, your son, has been with you for 1 year and 4 months.
Yes.
And instead of getting better, he was getting worse. Do you agree with us?
It was this 1 month that she went with the boy. Do you know why I called her to come and see the son?
No.
Even before then, I think that was December. I called. She was calling. Say let's do peace. Let's do peace reign. Anything she has done to me, I should forgive her. Anything I did to her, she has
Why
forgiven
did
me.
you call her to come and see your
I
son?
now allowed her. We are now talking, chatting, well. So my mom has been with my son at the east. All those why, because he can't stay with me. I need the stay house, and then I can go out in case of emergency. He can't do anything. So
How did they now bring him to Lagos? Who brought him
no, my mom now carried him from me.
to the east?
Yes, to the east. He was staying with
Now,
my mom.
when did she now return him back?
That was that the same February.
Because she couldn't handle
No, she did not return. She now came back to see us. Now says she cannot, and the woman don't.
continue.
She cannot be carrying him.
It's the same thing I'm saying. How old
Yeah.
is your mom?
My mom is like I don't remember. My mom is
70, 80, 90?
70s.
Did she have other grandchildren?
Yes, no.
So she's taking care of those ones. She cannot take care of these.
No. She's not taking care of those ones.
But they live with her.
Bam. She stays alone. She's taking care of wisdom. She took only wisdom.
Okay. We don't need to steal our time here. It's too obvious to start wasting time. Child is for better, for worse. They are saying husband and wife for better, for worse. I agree, but husband and wife cannot be as better for worse compared to how child should be.
Yes.
If it's not good for you, your wife can run away. You can run away when things are not getting better for her. But for child, you can't run away. They run after you or you run after them. Even though she might be the problem, so long she has been taking care of this child, whether running away with the child or not, with this condition, agree. Let her even agree that this child has been like this. As a young lady who's supposed to move on with her life after you people couldn't make it together, she is still with that child. How can she have a husband or settle?
Because she chose to.
Hold on a minute, sir. Hold on a minute. I never say you curse it, but just listen to me. So now, if she have taken care of this child for 14 years because she choose to, and now she now realize we both give birth to this child, and she now pass it to you, why did you now fail in your part?
I did not fail.
Hold on a minute, sir. You fail, and your mom fail as well, because I could remember my grandmother passed away at the age of 115 years. My grandmother. And I was among the grandchildren that were living without it. She passed away. The only thing we do for her, we help her to set the fire with those things they used to smoke, taba, that long, we help her to put fire. Every other thing she still do it. The cane she's going to use to beat us, when she hit us, the cane fall down, she'll tell you to bring it again.
Sir, imagine that woman carrying that boy to church, carrying.
Hold on a minute. Just hold on a minute. Nobody's asking. Listen, she failed. Whether you are the one that failed or she's the one that failed, I know you fail on your side. If you want to take your mother along, you take her along. As far as I'm concerned, you fail woefully. The child, whether able or disabled, he is your child.
Definitely.
And
Yes.
if you deny that, you still do the DNA right here from this office, 150,000 naira. So for the fact that you are not denying it, whether in good health or in poor health, he's your child.
Not denying
So
it.
even though she's a billionaire, and you are saying you are not staying at home because work is taking you here and there. And meanwhile, so many people are complaining that they don't have work to take them here and there. And you know when work start taking somebody here and there, it's money that is taking you here and there.
That kind of work, sir.
Yes, are you doing it for free? If you say it's for free, you will be working for us right from here, from this office.
That's not my kind of job.
We need everybody. As a human being, you can open and close the gate. So let's on a serious note, it could be funny, but that is the truth. That means you can take care of your son. And this guy, whether he has not been normal or normal, the condition was getting worse while with you. I don't care if it's with your mother. So long they give you that child, I believe it's with you. You understand, sir? There are schools for disabled. There are people who take up disabled children. And this guy is not looking healthy. It's not, hold on a minute. It's not looking healthy. So now there is no big deal in this issue. And there is nothing God cannot do. God can support money to work. We treat God His. You think that is so many healthcare centers. So this thing you people are talking about now is very simple. I don't think she's asking you to make any refund of what she has spent on that child. Is that why you are here? Okay, good. Now you will continue from where she has stopped. There is no case here, because if you don't do that, we come and put that boy in your house and you will sign that if anything happens, you will be responsible for that.
I never asked her to take my son.
Hold
She
on,
said she wants to stay with the boy for 4 days.
Hold on,
Before all these things.
That is why we are here. You also said you cannot listen, sir. When you are talking to the wide world, I'm not even responding to their comment now. I'm the only one talking to you. I pick from your statements. You say you cannot keep him because the nature of your job.
Yes.
You also stated that your mother, because of her age.
And my mother is not in Lagos.
Hold on
So
a
she's
minute.
staying with my younger ones. I rented the house from them.
Hold on a minute. If I even want these people here to judge you, you will understand that you are missing word. Because they will judge you from your statement. Hold on a minute. You said your mother came to visit you people and brought this guy, but your mother now complained that she cannot be doing this again.
Yes.
Good. You also, you travel here and there, you cannot keep him. You understand?
With me direct,
With
yes.
you direct. Your mother that was keeping her couldn't keep him. So what are we talking about, sir? Hold on. Who to keep him is not the issue now. You are still going to keep him. We are not going to argue with you. Because you want to prove to the world now that you want to keep him as if they are dragging it from you. No, that is not the case. If you want him today, right here, right now, your car is outside, you're going to pick him. But that is not what she's asking you now. I believe he's in a place where they are taking care of him. So you should be responsible for the treatment and other things as a father. You understand? The picture you showed just now you said the second boy there is your son.
Yes.
From a different woman.
Yes.
Probably you are marrying to that woman.
Yes.
She is supposed to go ahead and marry, but that is not why she's here. So you have to be human. You have to show some sympathy. Forget the past. If this guy wasn't sick now, both of you have a big boy, tall and handsome, fine boy. So forget the fact that he is sick or not. That is still the connection both of you have. So we are going to put the past away.
I'm not remembering. Don't even concern me with the past.
We both talk about the past just now. We are going
Because
to
she picked it up.
that is why we're going to put it aside.
Now looking at me as if I'm back to somebody.
Nobody said you are bad,
No.
because you also explain your own side of it, and I believe people that are watching, they know what is wrong here, what is not wrong. Madam, give her the mic.
So don't be offended. He said when I brought the boy to him, he cannot do anything, he cannot walk, nothing, he's not doing anything.
Yeah.
At the point, I remember him telling me that this boy na pikin wey dey wash him cloth dey do everything because he was doing everything. Yes, truly he was sick.
Are you taking us back?
No, there's something I want to do.
You be as if the boy dey okay,
Sir,
carry am
please,
come.
I'm sorry, please, can you play this voice note? This was the
You
day.
can just plug it and pray. You didn't socket it. Remove that case. Can I have it? Let me have the table. Why do you want to talk about this again?
Tell you.
You can use your mic. Use the mic. Take the mic, madam. Use it on that audio.
Yeah.
Can you go maybe because of anything?
No man, the boy cannot stay with her.
Settlement or what peace? Settlement or what level? For settlement or what peace? I sent you a message now. I sent you a message. You know very messages I've done before in the office. I don't hear you. You don't hear me. Just please, sorry. Hello?
What
I
is
can hear you, but I'm not looking to talk. I don't know how to talk to somebody else. What's to talk? No. Okay? If you don't know what thing to talk, let me tell you something. Since when you come carry this on what since when? We will not be talk now. We don't. We'll be quarrel. Why you quarrel? Who did you have to call yourself? You don't give my number. Oh, how could you get my number? This, I did for WhatsApp, I did Facebook, and you just see me for the talk once in a while, like I post back.
I can't waste my time waiting for the important side of it. How are you going to be taking care of the...
Sir, please, you made a statement now.
Use your mic.
You made a statement now that normal, that boy cannot stay with me.
Yes, ma'am.
What does he mean by that?
Give him a minute. Answer him.
Because if I follow what she told me, that she doesn't have a place to stay.
That's what she also said in the
Yes, so
That's what you mean.
yes.
It's okay. I'm done.
Sir, if I had a place for the boy to stay and I have money since, what has happened to the boy when the boy is with me?
But okay, fine. The day you came, did they not tell me that the boy medicine is finished?
So now you want to waste my time, you can keep on talking. Take it.
No, it's not.
I thought you are here for solution.
Sir.
Alright. So tell us what you can do.
Sir,
Wisdom is my son. Likewise, his younger brother. I'm the father. I can't leave my son. I'll take care of my son the best way I know a father will take care of his own son.
Starting from now, tell us, because starting from today, right here, you're going to undertake, and it's starting right here, right now. Where is the son, mother?
And it's in Lagos.
In a traditional home. Where do you want to take your son to, sir?
I think maybe there's one place I went to. I just find out now. Maybe I'll take him for there for treatment. If it's what they can be coming to the house to do.
They come to the house and do it.
Which house?
My house.
You are taking the boy back home.
Yes, I'm taking
So
it back
according to her, he was not properly taken care of. He was hungry and many other things.
The
so
boy.
who will be taking care
The
of
boy
him?
is not hungry.
Okay, who will be taking care of him?
I have younger ones that I rented house for.
In Lagos.
Yes, that's where she came to collect my son. Ask her.
But it's because his son was not improving.
I don't know what she's even looking for. That boy will improve. That boy has been there. This boy we're talking about, he only listen to me, and anything I tell him, he will do it.
All right. What else do you want, madam? Talk to us so that we'll go on our agreements.
Sir, I'm shocked at what he's saying right now.
What do you
because, yes, I'm going there. Because his one that said he does not have chance. This boy that his parents, he said his siblings, what he told me before, that his siblings don't feed this child.
Hey.
He said his siblings don't feed this child. He said they don't feed this child, and it was obvious. Sir, I'm sorry to say I cannot release my child to him.
Give him my
Sir, there's if I thank God you are a family man. There's something human being. There's something I know about human being. My little age. A child cannot be the way it's supposed to be when he's living with somebody else than the parents. Now I give my parents, my family money every week. Now imagine, do you know why I even allow her to know where that boy is? Now my mom have gone back to East. She's staying with them. Me, I'm not there. I want her eyes to be.
Once in a while.
Thank you.
Unexpectedly.
Because no elderly person, and I'm the first son, I can quarrel with my younger sister. She will point on that boy. I can quarrel with my younger brother. She will point on that boy. But when they see her, if she's coming once, me, I'm going there close. I'm going there. Those kind of things, no good day. That was why I asked her so that the two parents will focus on them.
Now? Do you have where you are putting on?
No,
Apart from leaving the boy in the hospital? No.
I rented that new house. The house is not up to a month though. The house is not up to a month because of that my son.
What do you want?
Sir, I cannot release that boy to you.
Where do you want to put him?
Anywhere. If he does not
He
want
just
to,
said
no
you
problem.
can be
Sir,
going there.
No,
to
I'm the one
see.
that know what I'm saying. He told me face to face that those his siblings are maltreating the child.
But
Never.
he just said indirectly now that it's possible. It doesn't mean they
Yes.
must beat him or
He
kill him.
said the child is not seeing food to eat. Even message here that he sent me that the child is not
Okay,
seeing,
sir.
not seeing food to eat.
What
How
can
the child
you
stay
do
with
now?
me and not
Can
seeing
you
food
rent
to eat?
for him a room?
No, I can't. That one, no. I know where I was here.
I'm not going to give him the
Where I
child.
was here.
Even his siblings are not taking care of the child. They
Can
are
we
not.
do it? Hold on a minute, madam. Can we do it this way? Can you employ somebody to be taking care of that child?
If I feel employ somebody, I go gather that money, rent house. Even though that one room, but it's not possible. It's not possible. If you warrant me to be going there every day.
Be supporting her for now from wherever the child is. Let's stop with that process. So when next you people come here after 3 months, I want to see the improvement of that child. The way he is now. If he didn't improve in your hand in 3 months, then we'll revisit the case and we'll know what we're gonna do. You're gonna be supporting the child, the treatment and the feeding. Wherever she want to keep the child, that is not a problem, but you should, at least as a father, try to go and see him like you wanted her to be seeing him while he was with you or will be with you. So let's do it that way. Let her as a mother who feels she's doing the right thing. Let her as a mother who feels she's doing the right thing and she's in the right place. Let her continue from there.
If it's when I walk,
Don't bother about your work. Don't come. So what we do, don't bother about that. Don't go there. That is what we are going to do now. So how much did they charge you then? 500 what? He will go there with you. You go there with her. you see things, you talk to the person. If you are not happy with the place and you know a better place, take the son there. When your son is there, you'll be giving them both the feeding and everything there. So we'll see what happens in 3 months. You understand? You go there now. You negotiate it or you accept it with them. You tell them how you will be paying. If you are not okay with those people and you feel that other place you can go and leave him for some time, but they are treating him will be there, then you take your son.
Now she said 500,000 and she said she don't get money back. And why she has said 500,000?
That is why she is here to call you, because of the money. So you will now go there as a father and negotiate it and agree or disagree. So it's because of this she's here to call you. Barrister, give them to undertake. How many months? You are taking care of him forever, but how many months probation are we coming back in? For me it's 3 months, but if you want to see the 3 months, you want to see people here again. Both picture, everything, video, you bring it in 3 months. Okay?
No problem.
Where is the place? Talk to me. What do you actually want? So you have a lot in your mind, or you are not saying.
It's a lot.
What do you want? We should talk about this boy, not about your personal stuff.
Not my personal. This is all this.
You mean you are not satisfied with this now?
Yes.
That he should go with you and not the brace?
No. I don't even want him to know where the boy is.
Thank you.
Because
That one 1.2 I don't want to talk since.
if he knows where the boy is, his mom will know. And everything that is happening to my child is coming from them.
Hold on a minute. If you are running away to make the child get better, please avoid the father, avoid everybody, avoid his money. Because if he gives money to the people, it might take his life. So you avoid everything so that your son will get better. Is that okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Alright, that is the final resolution. Give her something to undertake that she undertake that. No, it's from that side. Nobody comes. Are you with me, Barrister?
Yes.
Are you listening to her?
Yes.
That is what she is going to undertake. The father will also undertake that he was here to take up his responsibility, but he was advised or whatever to stop by the mother, which we are the witness. Okay? Alright. Thank you. Sorry?
I will not see him again.
You will see him when he's fine, he said, because we cannot force her not to take you there, and I don't think.